Hello, my lovelies. So I know it's been a while. I'm actually sitting in my car and I was like, you know what? I'm going to just record an update video really quick because I was on the phone with my best friend and she basically was telling me how she was watching some recipe videos for my channel. Now, I know I haven't posted in a while. A lot of things have changed and shifted, but I'm here to tell you that I will start making recipe videos again. I'm super excited because honestly, I don't even know how. Well, no, I do know how. Motherhood is how I got, behind in making content. But at the same time, I'm really excited to actually start showing recipes again because a lot of things have changed. I am not completely alkaline vegan. I am still plant-based. However, during my pregnancy, if you follow my main channel, I am Lindy Elaine, then you know that during my pregnancy, I started eating fish. So seafood kind of became like a thing that I incorporated in my lifestyle once I got pregnant. And then when I had my daughter, I still was eating seafood at times. However, now I'm plant-based again. Do I see myself staying plant-based for the rest of my life? I don't know. We'll see. But I just say that to say that this channel will feature mainly plant-based recipes. But if I so happen to want some fish, okay, because I am Jamaican and I love me some red snapper. But anyways, I just don't want you guys shocked, wondering like, why is there fish on this channel? I'm never going to just chaotically just put stuff, so I'm just trying to give you guys the heads up. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. And I know this is super just like random and out the blue, but I'm excited. So if you guys haven't been keeping up with me, you can definitely follow me on Instagram at I'm Lindy Elaine. I also started a non-toxic low tox page on Instagram and it is at the mommy vibes. So definitely check out both and I will see you guys soon. And if you guys are excited with me, definitely leave me a comment to get me hyped because it's been a while. So welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. You know, that's the song by Mace. So just imagine that I sounded way better. Okay? All right. Bye.